Hi guys, how you doing today? And welcome back to Key to the Point TV. In today's video, I want to show you how to tag people properly on Facebook when posting a video. How to tag people properly on Facebook when posting a video. But before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are watching this video on our Facebook page, please follow this page, okay? Also, like, comment and share this video. Share this video to reach more people. Share this video to reach more people. All right, so let's get started. So the proper way to tag people in a post is, number one, is by you going to your Facebook account. So when you enter your Facebook account, the next thing you need to do is to switch to your Facebook page. All right, switch to your Facebook page. You can switch here. All right, just touch there, switch to your Facebook page. Okay, switch to your Facebook page. So I'm going to be using this Key Point Comedy in this video. All right, so you enter your Facebook page. Hold on while it's switching. So from here you click on your profile. Click on this your profile. Click on this your profile. Okay, click on this profile image. So I'm inside my Facebook page right now. So you scroll down to the post that you want to tag people. Okay, I used to say a lot of people make mistake whenever they want to post a video, they will tag people. So that's not the right way to tag people. So if you really want your video to get more views, this is the proper way to tag people. Okay, so I will advise you to watch this video till the end, and please don't forget to share this video. Share this video so that it can go far. Okay, share this video so that people that don't really know how to tag people properly will learn from this video. Okay, let's say I want to tag people in this particular post. All right, so all what you need to do is to switch back again to your profile. Okay, switch here, switch back to your Facebook profile, not Facebook page, normal Facebook profile. Okay, switch back to your normal Facebook profile. Now from here you search under your page which you want to tag a post. So you can search right here. All right, click there. So let's say I want to tag a post in Key Point Comedy page. So I will just search Key Point Comedy. So I search it. So I go down. Here is the page. Okay, so you open the page. So you go down to where the particular post which you want to share. Sorry for that. So let's say I want to I want to tag people. I want to properly tag people to see this particular post you are seeing here. All right, so all you need to do is to click on this share button. Click on this share button. Share. Okay, share button down here. Back. Then from here you click on share. Share now. Share. Okay, to your timeline. Share. So hold on while it's posting. So as you can see, the post has been shared. Okay, to my timeline. Okay, from here I'll go back to my profile. Okay, so I'll go back. Okay, this is my profile. All right, so you touch on this picture. Okay, you can see this is my profile, this is my timeline. So I will scroll down to where the post was shared to. So you can see this is the post which I share from that page. So all you need to do from here is click on these three dots that you are seeing at the top right corner here. So click on there. Then click on edit post, edit post, edit post. Then this is how to tag people. Then you come down here, click on tag people, tag people. Then from here you can select as many friends that you want them to really see this post, as many friends that you want them to, you want this page. So from here you can select as many friends as you want. Okay, so this is all I need to do. Just select, select, select. Okay, so please, I would advise you to watch this video till the end, okay, so that you really understand this this properly. All right, so just mark one by one, tag your friends one by one. Okay, just mark. Please, all I'm asking from you guys is just share this video. Okay, don't forget to share this video, share this video. Okay, so all I'm asking is for you guys to share this video, so that people that don't really know how to tag people in their posts can learn from this video. Okay, so just continue marking, mark. Okay, I will advise you not to skip this video. Okay, don't skip this video. So just mark as many people as you want. So you can mark up to 300 friends, 500 friends. Okay, so just hold on so that you will not miss any step. Okay, so just mark as many people as you want. Mark. Okay, mark. So this is the proper way to tag people in your post. I used to say a lot of people make mistake whenever they want to make a post in their Facebook page, they will just go and tag. That's not the proper way to tag people. Okay, this is the proper way, which is what I'm doing. All right, so watch this video till the end so that you see what I will do at the end. Okay, watch this video till the end. Don't skip any part. Don't skip any part. So continue to mark, continue to mark. So continue to mark, continue to mark. So in the essence of this video, I will not go far than this. Okay, so the video will not be too long. Okay, so in your own case, you can mark as many as you want. Let's say 400, 500 friends. Okay, 400 to 500 friends. Okay, so in the essence of this video, I will stop here. Then from here, let's say you're finished marking as many friends as you want. Okay, so you click on this back key. Okay, click on this back key. All right, so click on back key. So you can see I've been able to tag 266 friends. Okay, I'll be able to tag 266 friends. So in your case, you can tag more people, let's say 400, 300, 600, like that. All right, so from here, all you need to do is click on save. Okay, click on save. You hold on, it's loading. So you can see the post has been saved. Forget about the 99 that you're seeing here. That's saying 99 others. Okay, 99 others. So I've been able to tag 266 people to this post. Okay, so guys, that is how to properly tag people. Okay, in your post, tag people to see your post. Okay, so please, all I'm asking you to do is share this video, like and comment. Okay, thank you so much, and see you next time.